I got them niggas block hot.
Shade.
Blue white beat on his face shot. Look.
Yo, what's up now, partner?
Hey, we terrorizing. We the ones that got them niggas block hot. I'm smoking on skull red below YB, caught a face shot. I was a little clucky, ain't stop knocking to that K-Lock. We knocked the nigga down and pulled a foe, nigga straight drop. He bragging about no skits, you niggas shooting, but ain't hit shit. Caught a baby, it's a drill on 2, 3, them niggas blitz. Better tell me why that load out the pole, let that stick really at. 45 rounds, all green tips.
I bounced out dripping nigga to my K-Lock, we back to QC's. Cause my straight hot, if a nigga play, I'm giving niggas all face shots. I'm feeling love with Bobby Lowe's, and let the Drake pop. Just can't roll a lummy, nigga, so they fake white. And I up the roll on your bitch, she gave me great time. I rock the rolls, gon' kill my link, you got on a fake white. I just hit the Skelly OT, you in the same lot.
I'm a nigga that you can't stop. Fill a nigga up every time we been on they block. Bounce out and get on one. Like what you say, Pop. Guarantee they seen they best shooter. Watch how they flop. Catching niggas sitting in that chair doing like K-Flock. Had to stop posting in the hood because the A hot. Me and bro got G3 and G4, but it's the same Glock. Catching let me slipping, taking everything that they got.
Pulling off Hellcats, got them mad. All these niggas envious cause they know we in our bag. Almost diamond sign in the dark. I don't need no flowers. 20,000 on me right now, that's mozzy on stash. When they come smoking hell, get a nigga drop, do it quick to spin. Every time you see me pulled up, I'll be quick to spin it. Down the way, want some weed, I'll be quick to send it. That nigga full chain, make that nigga box keep paying. Get the last nigga dope, ride him blue and shit break.
Yo, what's up now, partner?